Marnie, what do you want?
Okay.
What do you want?
Okay.
Ice cream?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay.
You want ice cream?
Yeah.
Do you really want ice cream?
Yeah.
How about no ice cream?
Okay.
No ice cream.
Okay.
Okay, did he get you ice cream?
Yeah.
You want ice cream? Which ice cream do you want?
Okay.
You want ice cream?
Yeah. Okay.
This ice cream?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, this. Okay.
This ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay! Yay!
Are you happy?
Yeah. Put okay and plate.
Oh, you want to put ice cream in a plate?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then again.
Yeah, John's finishing his dinner, then he's going to have some ice cream too.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're going to have some ice cream, mate. It's not going anywhere.